of the hour. Let's get you just few days away when the festivities of Navratri will begin, and the BJP MLA from Patparganj has now seemingly caused a row with his comments. Ravinder Singh Negi has called for a ban on meat shops near temples in Delhi for Navratri and wants them to be shut every Tuesday as well. After his comments, other cities have also echoed the same sentiment. First, it was the BJP MLA Ravinder Negi who called for a ban on meat shops near temples in Delhi to honor the upcoming Navratras that is slated from the 30th of March till April 7th. And not only that, he also wanted the ban to be effective every Tuesday. Now, echoing those calls were another BJP MLA from Jammu and Kashmir, Vikram Randhawa, who also says that though Jammu and Kashmir is a Muslim majority union territory, he believes that other religions can also be respected and a ban should be in place, especially for the Navratra festivities. Now in Kashi, let's take a look at how certain Hindu organizations linked with Gyanvapi have not only called for a ban during the Navratri week, but they want a year-round ban to be imposed in the city owing to its religious significance to the Hindu culture.
नवरात्रों में मैंने अभी मंगलवार को एक ड्राइव चलाई थी, जो मंगलवार को जितनी भी मीट की दुकानें थी जो मंदिर के आसपास थी उसको बंद करने के लिए निवेदन किया। दुकानदारों ने सहज स्वीकार करा और सारी मंगलवार को पटपड़गंज विधानसभा के अंदर दुकानें बंद होने लग गई। अब इसी प्रकार ईद, ये अभी हमारा त्योहार आ रहा है, नवरात्रों का पावन पर्व है और साल में 2 बार पर्व आता है और बड़ी धूमधाम से हम लोग देवी की उपासना करते हैं। और मैं इस बार फिर निवेदन करने वाला हूं कि मंदिरों के आसपास अगले 9 दिन दुकान नहीं खुलनी चाहिए। इसके लिए मैं लगातार 9 दिन के लिए डीएम साहब को पत्र लिखने वाला हूं।
बहुत बेहतरीन डिमांड जो है दिल्ली विधानसभा में हुई है कि इन 9 दिनों में कहीं पर भी जो है मीट की दुकान नहीं खोलनी चाहिए और जम्मू कश्मीर यूटी इसकी पहल करे। हालांकि ये मुस्लिम डोमिनेंट स्टेट है, फिर भी मुझे लगता है कि हम सब एक दूसरों के धर्मों की इज्जत करना जानते हैं। उनको मद्देनजर रखते हुए जम्मू कश्मीर में भी नवरात्रों के दिनों में मीट की दुकानें बंद होनी चाहिए।
बात खाने की आजादी की नहीं, ये हमारा धर्म प्रधान देश है जो है, और धर्म परंपरा हमारी गौरवमयी शानदार संस्कृति और विरासत का प्रकटीकरण है। उनको ये कहना कि जो है खास तौर से यह जो सेकुलर जो है, ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए। सेकुलरवाद, हमारा जो धर्म प्रधान है नगरी है, जो हमारा बाबा विश्वनाथ की नगरी है, उसमें मांस निषेध होना चाहिए।
तो यहाँ पे तो पूर्णतः बंद ही होना चाहिए। यहाँ पे तो मीट मांस होना ही नहीं चाहिए, क्योंकि ये धार्मिक नगरी है, अध्यात्म की नगरी है।
हम सभी लोग आज पत्रक सौंपने जा रहे हैं और हम लोग ये मांग कर रहे हैं कि नवरात्र ही नहीं बल्कि जो है 12 महीने के 30 दिन मांस, मछली, मदिरा, इस तरह की चीजें जो है काशी में जो है बैन होनी चाहिए।
काशी जो है वो देव की नगरी है और मतलब देवी देवताओं की नगरी है और नवरात्र में 9 देवी दुर्गा मतलब 9 जगह के दर्शन होते हैं, 9 देवियों के दर्शन होते हैं। तो ये सब अलग अलग जगह दर्शन होते हैं, तो सब जगह मतलब मदिरा है, मीट है, सब बंद होना चाहिए।
However, opposition leaders, few of them, have been irked by the demand that has been made by the BJP MLA, with Samajwadi Party chief Akhilesh Yadav stating that this is a ploy for votes, and the NC party claiming that demand is not good for a secular India. The Congress party also wading in, saying that the BJP should kick out the MLA for making such demands.
और भारतीय जनता पार्टी वो दल है, उससे अगर एक वोट मिल रहा हो कुछ करने से तो वो तुरंत परफॉर्म कर देंगे वो चीज।
This is wrong. This is a secular India. If that is the case, then it's the month of Ramadan. Then I should say also that all the shops should be closed, all the restaurants and hotels should be closed because it is Ramadan. This is wrong. This is a secular country. You can't impose laws on somebody just because I feel, a fringe element feels like that.
आप खाने नहीं देंगे, पीने नहीं देंगे, तो पैसा कमा करके आदमी क्या करेगा? दुबई में जाके पैसे को उड़ाएगा। भारतीय जनता पार्टी को चाहिए ऐसे एमएलए को निकाल देना चाहिए।
Well, let's get a word from Tetri now. Tetri, good morning. Often we have seen during the time around Navratri that such kind of demands and appeals that have been made, right from Delhi to other regions, that we are also looking at not just a call to ban meat shops near temples in Delhi, but a year-round ban on meat and liquor shops is also being made from Kashi.
Well, absolutely. Remember that this entire controversy first was limited to the national capital when BJP MLA Ravinder Negi made this particular announcement that, during Navratri, the meat shops should be closed. And in fact, not just that, but he also further mentioned that if the shops are not closed in the national capital during Navratri, then he'll ensure that at least Hind constituency in Patparganj, at least that the meat shops should be closed. Now this entire controversy of meat shops being closed in Navratri is also in fact spreading to other states as well. We just heard that how in fact several BJP leaders are also coming out and supporting this particular decision in their state. However, if we talk about the opposition parties, then opposition parties have been saying that this is not something which should be called as democratic, and in fact they are questioning so as to why such kind of moves have been taken by the BJP and why such kind of statements are being given by the BJP MLA. But yes, we'll have to see, that what actually happens during the days of Navratri. Will the meat shops be closed? And if the meat shops will be closed, will the shopkeepers, will the union of that entire area be protesting, or will they be cooperating? And in fact, if this in fact happens, certainly the administration and the police will also have to ensure, that this happens in a peaceful manner. Back to you.
Right, but we also had a word with the BJP MLA Ravinder Negi. He says that not only him, there are other leaders as well who have made a similar call, and the shopkeepers, according to him, have agreed to shut their shops, saying that this is almost annually, twice in a year that they follow such kind of a system. Yes, Petri.
Well, absolutely. BJP MLA Ravinder Negi has in fact stated that Navratri comes twice a year, and in fact citing that particular reason, he mentioned that, the meat shops not in that entire vicinity, in that entire area should be closed. And in fact, earlier we also saw the controversy where the meat shops, where there was a demand that, meat shops should be closed near the temple. There were in fact several kind of statements also, and opposition was also not supporting this particular move. But now the controversy is revolving around Navratri, and that shops should remain closed during the festival of Navratri. But in fact, if we talk about the opposition as well, and in fact the opposition has been questioning so as to why during Navratri the BJP wants the meat shops to be closed, because their own festival of Ramadan is going on. So now we'll have to see that how opposition and BJP particularly reacts to this entire controversy when the shops are
as far as the situation that develops when there are festivities of Navratri, where there are calls and appeals that are made for meat shops to be shut, especially near the temples, for the next 9 days. For the moment, thank you very much, Setri, for joining in.